Good morning, the bike is ready to go. It is Sunday and it's a beautiful day with maybe a small chance of rain, but it doesn't matter because we are still going to enjoy another Sunday fun day. So I'm gonna head over to Radiant where the meetup spot is. And then we're gonna spend the day riding. As you know, we do these Sunday fun day rides every single month at the end of the month, but we do have these rides. It's a great time. In fact, it's probably one of my favorite rides of the month, and it's a great ride for really anybody, any skill level, anything, because all we're doing is getting together as a group and going for a cruise. Sometimes we get 50 people, sometimes we get 100 people. It just depends. Let's not do that. It's a little early, well, not that early, it's actually 9:30, but I'm kind of just waking up, but I am hungry and I need a coffee, so I'm gonna head to my favorite place to do that, and then we'll be on our way with Sunday Fun Day. Yep, that'll do it. No, I don't need a receipt. And success. All right, we got a good group out here. It's early too. We got plenty of time for more people to show up for this wonderful Sunday Fun Day ride.
So
look at that boy.
We're getting ready to go to the gym or what?
Yeah, you ready? It looks like you're ready for the gym.
He's got linen on.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? You can do some 10-pound curls?
Nah, man, we're gonna go play. We're gonna do.
All right, anyway, got the camera. I'm gonna walk around and get some pictures of people and get into this day. I don't know what he's trying to tell Mike, but...
What do you think, Seth? He's talking about Max.
What is he doing?
We have a good turnout today. Luckily, the rain stayed away for us to enjoy the day together. As always, we want to keep everyone as tight as possible. Look out for each other, stay in line, stay in formation. No jumping out of line, no craziness. We want to keep everyone safe, have a good day, have fun, and everyone get home safe.
I decided to sprinkle a little bit, but we should still be good. We got a big group out here today. Look at that. Sunday Fun Day. Great day for it. Let's go.
Way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. They ain't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the strings, yo, that's good. Now I got racks, I got the bills. I need my mama up in the hills. All of these dudes, they in the fields. I don't need drink, I don't need pills. I just need money, that's what I'm saying. All of this talking, swear it gets draining. All of this time, I've been refraining. Now I make hits when I cover the bases. Now I got time to go get it. I told them I do it, I swear that I'm running the most. I don't know what they've been talking, I told them I'm here and I'm working so hard, but they don't. I'm in the base and I'm making a way, and I told them that this is the life that I chose. They trying to test me, I told them you really don't want to.
Ready, get your table, bro.
Yeah, the kids table.
Why aren't you over there? No. Kids table.
Yes. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Well, this place is badass. If you're ever up in Brooksville area, check this place out. Coney Island?
Nice shade.
Coney Island.
Coney Island.
This place is badass. Good food, cheap. A nice little chill spot out here. Cheap.
Like cheaper than McDonald's cheap.
Cheaper than McDonald's cheap. It is cheaper than McDonald's. Yeah. Alright. We ready?
We're ready. It's hot.
It's hot as
My hair is It's hot out here.
yeah, your head's sweating, bro.
It's bad. Folks, listen, we have it on camera. They're throwing a BMW away. Look at that. Stand it up. There it is. Right where it belongs. Look, right where it belongs.
You guys are stupid. Hey, let me see what you got in here.
Nice, bro. Yo, right here, the Tito's, water. There's more in there somewhere.
The beers are on the other side.
Hey, what up, say? Yeah, now I rep the O. What you know about the west side? I just bought a
Like, you ain't no business around these parts, you know, dumb shit like that. You know, like, what? What does a squirrel's fart have to do with it? Lizard licking. Yeah.
Go get your juice, bro. We're leaving you. We're getting towards the end of the day. We got one more stop, which is gonna be Fred Howard Park, which is gonna be a perfect timing because it's gonna be sunset. I'm gonna be able to get some good pictures out by the water with whoever's left. We actually got a lot of people still here. Some people dipped off, but for the most part, everyone's still here.
I'm patiently waiting, thinking you know me, but you've been mistaken. Alone in my crib, I like it vacant. Up in the morning, I'm me in the bacon. Don't like the cap and I don't like the faking. I need a bag and it's mine for the taking. Liquor and women, I'm never chasing. She don't know me, but she know that I'm famous. I got way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back.
This is Fred Howard Park. This is one of my favorite spots. Favorite place to take a picture. Look at that. Got this. Try to get some shots out here as the sun decides to set on this beautiful day. It was a good Sunday fun day. What do you think?
It was a very good Sunday fun day.
Yeah, boy. We finally got this kid out of the house.
It's been a couple months.
It's been a while, bro.
Better late than never.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. The weather's nice. Perfect little breeze out here on the water. Ethan, boy.
What's up, man?
Hey, man. I have to say, like I said earlier, fantastic job.
Yeah, man.
You killed it. All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some pictures.
Done about
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You think he's gonna come with us?
It's Randy's boy, don't worry.
Randy, talk to your cousin.
Randy! Randy, talk to your cousin!
Where's he at? Oh, he's already talking. No, he's legit like looking.
Can you guys just do me a favor and just behave with us? Yeah. Okay. We only had, there's only one call.
Oh, they actually called?
I love the whole ride
That's why it's just me.
7 hours of riding and not one wheelie today.
Just do me a favor and just behave, okay?
Appreciate it. All right, so of course we got a call. That's okay. Cool cop out here in Turpin. Police officer was cool. He just wanted to make sure that we were behaving. Why are they wearing a mask in their car? I don't get that. People are starting to filter out now. We had a wonderful day though. Thank you to everybody that came out. Probably the best Sunday fun day that we've had in a while. This is a great start to a wonderful summer.
I'm patiently waiting, thinking you know me, but you've been mistaken. Alone in my crib, I like it vacant. Up in the morning, I'm me in the bacon. Don't like the cap and I don't like the faking. I need a bag and it's mine for the taking. Liquor and women, I'm never chasing. She don't know me, but she know that I'm famous. I got way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work.